I will be talking about the demand curve and the supply curve, as well as the equilibrium point and consumer and producer surplus. So what I have here, I've drawn a good, I've plotted the price, the quantity demanded, as well as the quantity supplied. So this is the demand curve, and this is the supply curve. The suppliers or the producers want to sell more at a high price so they can get more profit. However, the consumers would like to buy more at a low price, that way they can get more. However, the reason the market functions properly is through the equilibrium point. In this case, it is 3, and that is when quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. It is the most effective point on the graph for both buying and selling. So how we find producer and consumer surplus is by, we don't need that actually. We understand that this demand curve right here, this is the demand curve, which means more people would want to buy at a low price. On this graph, we are able to see that this many people would still be willing to buy the good even if the price was higher. So this would be the consumer surplus, because they're getting more than what they're actually having to pay for it from the equilibrium point, which is right here. However, in the opposite case, the producer surplus is down here, because they're getting more than what they think the item is worth. So this is the producer surplus.